I watched almost all tutorials on Premiere Pro available on YouTube. These are the complete basics to start and finish your first video in only 5 minutes. Create new project like this. Import your footage from your folders to Premiere Pro like this. Create timeline by dragging and dropping one of your clips to the timeline area, and voila! This is a place where you will be cutting and reorganizing your clips. Take a look at this bad boy, because you will be using it all the time. This is how you trim clips with it. Shortcut Command plus K does it too. This is how you can move your clips in the timeline. And this is how you can add transitions. That's pretty boring transition, not gonna lie. That's better. Add music to your video like this. And lower volume like this. You can also gain volume, I just don't recommend that. By the way, you can take corners of your videos and drag them to make them shorter. It will probably be useful to mention that. If your clip is too shaky, stabilize it like this. This is how you fade in and out of your video. By the way, you can do the same with audio too. This is how you can change aspect ratio and resolution of your timeline. I would recommend use these two. This is how you can crop your video. Also, keep in mind that you have to scale it like this after cropping if you want your video to be full screen. This is how you can slow down your clip. You can also speed it up if you do this. You can even add text to your videos using this tool. Lots of customization here. If you accidentally happen yourself in a situation where you have to create subtitles for your project, then just do it like this.
Just do it!
By the way, Premiere Pro can transcribe your video automatically like this.
Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true!
And now, watch closely, because Premiere Pro has this thing called keyframing. This is basically the Premiere Pro beginner's nightmare. Just kidding, guys, it's actually a way to animate things. Like that. Or like that. By the way, you can add this guy like this. And he is not alone, these guys are also available. Anyway, back to the keyframes. Move playhead to where you want the animation to start. Click stopwatch on effect you want to animate. Move playhead where you want the animation to end. Adjust effect value to your liking. And there you have it. You are animator now. That's until you experience this. This is how you can make your video pop with color grading. Don't forget about this dude, because that is the only one you should truly care about if you are a classic beginner. Exporting your video is simple if you don't mess it up. And watch this video to the end. Just click all of this stuff and then make sure your settings looks like this. except this one. Change that one according to your video resolution. That is these two guys that I have talked about earlier. And finally, press this button and enjoy the final video. Like and subscribe.